Lesson number 11, Ratio and Proportion. When two quantities are compared by division, then the quotient of that division is called a ratio. The colon, that is 2 dot, is used to express a ratio. The ratio of 5 to 9 is written as 5 upon 9 or 5 2 dot, that is colon 9, and is read as 5:9. Comparing two number by division means finding the ratio of two numbers. The ratio A upon B is written as A colon B and is read as A is to B. Now let us find the ratio. The ratio of 10 and 9. The ratio of 10 and 9 is 10 upon 9, or we can write it as 10:9. 30 and 24. So 30 upon 24 is the ratio. We have to make it in simplest form. Divide by 6. 6 5 is 30. 6 4 is 24. 5 upon 4 is the ratio, or we can write 5:4. Let us see another example. 24 to 56. 24 upon 56 are the ratio. Divide by 8 to make it in simplest form. 8 is 24. 8 7 is 56. So therefore 3 upon 7 is the ratio, or 3:7. Example number 4. 121 and 99. So 121 upon 99 is the ratio. To make it in simplest form, we will divide it by 11. 11 11s are 121. 11 9s are 99. Therefore, the ratio is 11 upon 9, or 11:9. Let us find the ratio. Let us find the ratio of 15 seconds to 1 minute. Here we have to find the ratio of same kind but having different unit, that is second and minute. So when finding the ratio of two quantities of the same kind, we have to first express them in the same unit. However, the ratio does not have a unit. 15 seconds upon 1 minute, here we have different units. Therefore 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now we will find 15 seconds upon 60 seconds. 1 minute has converted into 60 seconds. Now it is having same unit. Now 15 upon 60 is the ratio. You have to make it in simplest form. Divide by 15. 15 1s are 15. 15 4s are 60, or 1:4. The ratio of this 15 upon 60. 90 paise to rupee 1. So rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Therefore 90 upon 100 is equal to, the 0 gets cancelled, 9 upon 10, or 9:10 is the ratio. Now let us solve some word problem. Question number 1. John weight is 50 kg and Ajay's weight is 40 kg. What is the ratio of John weight to Ajay's? Also, what is the ratio of Ajay's weight to John's? Let us first find the ratio of John's weight to Ajay. 50 upon 40. 0 gets cancelled, that is 5 upon 4 is the ratio, that is 5:4. And ratio of Ajay's weight to John, 40 upon 50. 0 gets cancelled, 4 upon 5, that is 4:5. From this we will see that the order of the number changes there, then their ratio also changes. Example number 2. There are 30 boys and 24 girls in a class. Find the ratio of two number of boys to the number of girls. Ratio of number of boys to the number of girls is equal to number of boys upon number of girls. That is 30 upon 24 is the ratio. Now we have to make it in simplest form. So divided by 6. 6 5 30. 6 4 24. Therefore the ratio of number of boys to girl is 5:4. Example number 3. Kamlesh height is 140 centimeter and Aditi's height is 105 centimeter. Find the ratio of Kamlesh's height to Aditi's. The ratio of Kamlesh height to Aditi's is equal to Kamlesh height upon Aditi's height. That is 140 upon 105. That is a ratio. Now we'll divide it by 5 to make it in simplest form. That is lowest term. 528 is 140. 521 is 105. Again let us divide it by 7. 7 for the 28. 7 is 21. Then the final ratio is 4 upon 3. That is 4:3. Therefore, the ratio of Kamlesh height to Aditi's height is 4:3. Let us see the fourth example. Snehal has a red ribbon that is 80 centimeter long and blue ribbon that is 2.2 meter long. What is the ratio of the length of the red ribbon to that of blue ribbon? Here we have different units. Red ribbon is equal to 80 centimeter and blue ribbon is equal to 2.2 meter. That is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 2.2 meter 20 meter is equal to 2 into 100 plus 20. 200 plus 20 that is equal to 220 centimeter. Now we will find the ratio. The ratio of red ribbon to blue ribbon is equal to red ribbon, length of red ribbon upon length of blue ribbon. That is 80 upon 220. We will cancel 0. 8 upon 22 will be divided by 2 again. That is 2 4s are 8, 2 11s are 22. Therefore, the ratio of red ribbon to blue ribbon is 4:11.